2018 Ford Mustang V6. That's what it sounds like before. Put it in park and give it gas. Go ahead. Again. Sound decibels. Again. Again. This is about 82. My voice is louder than. I'll let you guys hear after we do a muffler delete on it. As you guys can see, it's actually a 4-cylinder, not a 6. Sorry. She said it was 6, but it's actually a 4-cylinder. It's got a huge cat. It's a 2.0 turbo. There's a resonator on it. We're not taking that off. We're just going to do a rear muffler delete. There's a resonator, 2 1/4 pipe. There's the 2 mufflers there and there. We're going to delete them and just put pipe in their place. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's what it looks like before. So here's after. This is the Mustang. This is what we got done on it. There's a catalytic converter. There's the single in dual out resonator. 2 1/4 tailpipe. And then 2 1/4 muffler delete. There. And there. And we reused her tips. She's going to come back and redo them later on. She's going to put some black tips on it. There's the 2 mufflers down there that we got cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. Like it? All right, there's sound decibels after. It peaks at 102. That's not bad. That's sound decibels. Before it was at like 88, 87. Now it's like 102.
Yeah.
So it made a nice difference, you know?
Yeah.
You can actually hear it now. Ooh. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Turbo, turbo, turbo.